Choo-choo. Mommy, your turn. Choo-choo. Here we are. Let's play game. Marco. Polo. Marco. Polo. Marco. Marco. Frankie. Frankie. Are you hiding, Frankie? Has anybody seen a little boy with short curly hair?
What was he wearing?
I can't find him. Frankie! They've got my son! Help me! Where the hell is my phone? Oh, God! Don't hurt him! We got the police! Help me! They've got my son! My son's been kidnapped.
If you wait with me here, ma'am, we'll file a report right now.
That's what all these people did. They waited.
Let me tell you something. As long as my son is in that car, I will not stop. Wherever you go, I will be right behind you. You took the wrong kid.